A sweet story right there, Carson, but I also noticed the beautiful sunshine there. It looks very similar to our tower cam right
It's
now.
almost a carbon copy of what they had in the story. That's what we're seeing right now, Cynthia. This is a live look outside in Tyler. Mostly sunny skies at this point. Well, those are expected to continue, but it was nothing but stormy as we looked at our Saturday. This is the storm summary. Now, we didn't really have much in the way of severe weather across East Texas. However, there were a couple severe thunderstorms that did spawn a couple of tornadoes. The first of which was confirmed, was an EF1 near Malakoff. Now, this packed a punch. 100-mile-an-hour winds, that's what the National Weather Service in Fort Worth found. And then an EF0 tornado. That was the second tornado produced perhaps by the same storm. This one had 85-mile-an-hour winds. And then, of course, we did have a couple of tornado warnings for parts of Cass, Bowie, and also McCurtain County up in Oklahoma. So the National Weather Service in Shreveport will be surveying some of the damage there as well. But the main story for East Texas were those rainfall totals. This is what we were looking at. Northern counties actually saw a little more rain than what we saw across deep East Texas. 1.67, that was reported in Mount Pleasant, 3 inches in northwestern Wood County. Along Interstate 20, pretty impressive amount there in Hideaway, 2.6. Emerald Bay picked up 0.8 of an inch. Palestine, anywhere from an inch or 2, just depending on what side of the town you were on. And a little further down to the south, we were under a ½ inch in Lufkin. Allison picked up 0.31, and then Priscilla about 0.45. Those were the readings, but we're not seeing anything like that today. The reason why: area of high pressure continues to establish itself, while that front that brought us all that activity, well, that has pushed well on to the west and is now Alabama's problem now. So let's get you right to Futurecast. Once again, for today, Toledo Bend, East Texas, we're going to remain dry. That's a given. That area of high pressure is very strong, but it does weaken just a little bit overnight, which means we will start to see a few clouds for our eastern counties. And then watch what happens as we go into tomorrow afternoon. This is about 11 o'clock in the evening. A few showers and thunderstorms will try and take shape, especially along Interstate 49 in Louisiana. So a popcorn storm or two, that certainly can't be ruled out. Not expecting anything in the way of severe weather, but it is something that we are going to have to watch tomorrow afternoon and evening. Otherwise, the main story today is going to be those temperatures already in the 70s and 80s. We do warm to a high temperature of around 85 degrees today. Again, we're going to keep it mostly sunny. 67 tonight, and then we get active again. Let me show you the 7-day forecast, and here's what I mean. Again, you're lucky if you do see the rain tomorrow. Better chances in deep East Texas. We're dry on Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. All have rain chances, but not everybody's going to see the rain every day. But there is a chance that you get a little heavy downpour that will probably last you about 30 minutes before the storm weakens considerably. So we will have to watch that, especially in deep East Texas, over the next 7 days. Cynthia?